Carbonado, also called black diamond, is a rare type of diamond with a dark color and rough texture. Many people try home tests to identify it, including the vinegar test. However, vinegar alone cannot prove that a stone is a real Carbonado diamond. It can only help with basic observation. 1. The vinegar test. Pour a small amount of white vinegar into a glass container and place the stone inside for 15 to 30 minutes. Observe carefully. No bubbling or chemical reaction. This may suggest the stone is not made of carbonate minerals like limestone. Bubbling or fizzing usually indicates the stone is not diamond and may contain reactive minerals. Real Carbonado diamonds are mostly carbon and generally do not react with vinegar.
2.
Surface observation. After removing the stone, dry it carefully. Look for a dark black or grey colour. Check for a rough, porous or charcoal-like texture. Carbonado diamonds often look different from clear diamonds and may appear dull or metallic. 3. Hardness test carefully. Diamond is one of the hardest natural materials. A possible home clue: Carbonado may scratch glass or steel, but many other minerals can also scratch glass, so this is not final proof. Avoid damaging the stone during testing. Important warning: the vinegar test is not a scientific diamond test and cannot confirm Carbonado authenticity by itself. Carbonado has a special structure and some pieces may even confuse standard diamond testers. Professional tests such as thermal conductivity, Raman analysis, or gemological examination are more reliable.